So go ahead and begin to find a comfortable seat, sitting up nice and tall. Soften the shoulders back and down. Feel free to close the eyes here. And we'll start by taking a deep inhale through the nose, filling the lungs up with breath. And then out through the mouth, letting it go. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Out the nose. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out the nose. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time through. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause 4, 3, 2, 1. Big deep inhale and sigh it out. Relax and breathe at your own pace. And notice how you're feeling. Notice the effects through your body from this calming box breathing. Take your awareness inwards, scanning your body, and breathe. And moving into our alternative nostril breathing, go ahead and seal the right nostril with your right thumb, and then we begin. Inhale through the left nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold the breath, release the right thumb, cover your left nostril with your right ring finger, exhale right nostril, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, inhale through your right, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, cover the right side, release the left nostril, and exhale left, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Inhale through the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it there. Release the right side, seal the left, exhale right, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Inhale through the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, cover the right side, release the left side, exhale left, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Inhale left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. Seal the left side, exhale through the right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, inhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4, seal the right, exhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it there, inhale left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, seal the left, exhale right, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, inhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4, sealing the right, exhale through the left, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, inhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Release the right, cover the left side, exhale right side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Inhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Switching to the left side, exhaling left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Inhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Switching sides last time through. Exhale from the right, 4, 3, 2, 1, and pause. Inhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Switching sides. Exhale left side, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relaxing your hand down. Big deep inhale. Filling the lungs, the entire torso with breath. Hold it there. And relaxing it out. Feeling the change deep inside of you. Noticing any sensations through the body. From the bottom of the torso all the way to the top of your head. Relaxed breathing, keeping your awareness inwards. Feeling those sensations all the way through your torso, down your arms, and all the way into your fingertips. Feel the energy coursing through your fingers, extending out through your fingertips. Maybe you notice tingling coming out of the ends of your fingers. Breathing relaxing, maintaining that awareness of your breath, of your body. And bringing your hands together in front of your chest, in front of your heart, sealing your meditation practice. The power of mindful breath is a gift to your mind and to your body. And you can do this anywhere, anytime, simply by taking time out every day to love yourself enough to follow a breathing practice. You can improve your life from the inside out. And when life throws you a curveball, you'll have these simple techniques to put yourself back on track with a clear mind and a calm body. It's tried and tested. Hand on my heart, even in the most earth-crashing moments. Yes, my friends, it truly works. Namaste.